Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can enter pairing mode on your Amazon speaker. So at first you have to be sure that your device is turned off, and then we have to click and hold power button and the pause and the call button at the same time until this indicator starts blinking quickly. Let's make it right now.
Power on. Pairing.
Right now release the buttons and find your Amazon speaker on the available devices list. I just misclicked, never mind. Let's repeat this step, turn off and turn on the Bluetooth, and take a look right here. It appears, so click on it once, accept the pairing request,
Connected.
and as you can see right now we are successfully connected. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.